Preview.
Hello everybody, I'm Parikshit from Kids Fun Club. And today we are going to draw a Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. So let's start
Round.
drawing the Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
So we first start with the
Head.
okay. That's so easy. And then okay. Now what do we do next?
What is this? Mickey Mouse or Mickey Mouse? What is Mickey Mouse? Huh?
I don't know.
Mickey?
Okay.
What is this?
This is the
I'm
mouse.
getting confused.
You then do it.
I'm getting confused.
I'm waiting for you. Let's wait for Parikshit.
Then say the other things.
No.
Obviously not now. Because we have not. When the coloring part is going to start, and then only.
The nose is made. Now we make the okay. Yes. Cool. Are you following me?
I see.
Yes. Very good. Now move to the hands. So we first okay.
It's a difficult hand.
That's all. See, so easy.
Oh, see, it's looking so fat.
कोई बात नहीं.
Oh, see now, it's looking fat.
Yes, perfect.
It's not looking like Mickey Mouse.
Continue drawing.
It's looking like something else.
Something else means what?
Like Mickey Fine. Mickey Mouse's brother. Yeah. I can't understand.
The legs are done. And the set of hands. Now okay. Okay, Parikshit, are you following? And now we make the fake shoes. And the fake shoes. And my Mickey Mouse is ready. And the tail. This is my favorite character.
You never watch Mickey Mouse.
I used to watch it a lot.
But why are you not watching it now? Now why don't you
Why
watch
do not
it?
find enough time to watch Mickey Mouse? So now let us.
But you in lunchtime you could. Papa.
Yes, I can.
But why don't you?
I avoid a lot of it. I would get bored if I watch. Oh my god, where is his hand? Where are his shoes? Where is his trouser? Eh?
I did not concentrate.
Leave it. It's not a good drawing. So let's only. So did you like the drawing? Oh! Come on.
I'm going to.
Have a good day. Come on, conclude it better fast.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
No. See. So if you did not like Parikshit's drawing, then do not share, do not like his videos, and do not.
And do like and subscribe my channel.
Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.